Welcome children. Assessment worksheet number 9, subject science, class 9th. Name of the student, you have to write your name. Name of the class teacher, you have to write the name of your class teacher. Darken the circle in front of the correct option of the following questions. All questions are MCQ. You have to select the correct option and darken the circle against the correct answer. Question number 1. Blood and seawater are A. Both mixture. B. Both are compounds. C. Blood is a mixture whereas seawater is a compound. D. Blood is a compound and seawater is a mixture. So correct answer is both are mixtures. A. Both are mixture. Question number 2. Which of the following are chemical changes? Which of the following are chemical changes? A. Decaying of wood. B. Burning of wood. C. Sawing of wood. And D. Evaporation of wood. So, chemical change is decaying and burning of wood. So, your answer would be A, and first and second both are correct. So, answer will be A. 1 and 2 both are correct. Both are chemical change. Question number 3. Which among the following is not a colloid? Which is not a colloid? A. Jelly, B. Foam, C. Mist, and D. Tincture iodine. So correct answer will be D. Tincture iodine. It is not colloid. Question number 4. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? A. Starch solution, B. Sodium chloride solution, C. Copper sulfate solution, and D. Sugar solution. So correct answer will be starch solution. Starch solution is a colloidal and it shows the Tyndall effect. Question number 5. Identify the false statement. A. Colloidal are homogeneous. B. Colloid shows Tyndall effect. C. Colloids are stable. And D. Size of the colloidal particles ranges between 1 to 100 nanometer. So, which is not correct is A. Colloids are homogeneous. This is wrong. So, correct answer will be A. Colloids are homogeneous. No, colloids appears homogeneous but actually they are heterogeneous. So this is wrong. A. Question number 6. Which is not characteristics is of suspension? A. Particle size is greater than the solution. B. They are unstable in nature. ये भी correct है. C. They always shows Tyndall effect. And D. Its components can be separated by physical process. So correct answer is C. They always shows Tyndall effect. They always do not show Tyndall effect when left undisturbed. The particles of the suspension settle down and they do not show Tyndall effect. So this is not true about the suspension. C. Next question. Question number 7. Gel is an example of colloid. B. Mixture. C. Emulsions. D. Suspension. So gel is a colloid. So correct answer will be A. Colloid. Question number 8. If the components of the substance can be separated by a chemical change only, then it is A. Element, B. Compound, C. Mixture, and D. Suspension. So correct answer will be B. Compound. The components of compound can be separated by chemical change. Now, for the question number 9 and 10, two statements are given. One is labeled assertion A and second or other is labeled as reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the code A, B, C, D given below. A is both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of assertion. B. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of assertion. C. A is true, R is false, and D. A is false and R is true. So we will discuss question number 9. Question number 9 is A. Assertion is when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, placed in a dark place, the path of the beam becomes visible. This sentence is correct, and reason is given to you are light gets scattered by the colloidal particle. This is also correct explanation. So your answer would be A, option A. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is a solution of table salt in a glass of water is homogeneous. This sentence is correct. Our reason is a solution having different composition throughout its homogeneous. This sentence is wrong. So your answer would be C. A is true but R is false. So you have to tick C option or darken the circle against C. Thanks for watching.